We're excited to share the vision of the next generation of Engine Yard technology, a modular and flexible application cloud. With our advanced platform automation and orchestration, you will now be able to plan projects, deploy applications, manage environments, and extend capabilities more easily than ever. What's new and different about this technology? Think about other cloud solutions. They provide limited languages and components, and applications must conform to their black box platform. Another option is do it yourself. You could procure hardware or provision infrastructure from a hosting provider, but you'd still need to build and configure operating systems, middleware, and databases on top. You'll spend a lot of time on operational and administrative tasks that are non-revenue generating. Instead, our next generation technology helps expand the capabilities of platform as a service, offering more flexibility and control. It gives you choice in platform components, application services, and infrastructure. You get more control of the environment and a complete solution, allowing you to focus on what you do best, building great apps, instead of getting beat down by countless operational tasks. Developers need to plan their application structure and growth. The next generation technology provides blueprints that can be used as is, or parts can be modified and saved for future development. You can also create your own. You determine the standard for your applications, and others in your organization can easily reuse them. Now, how can our platform be totally hardened yet completely flexible? You choose from a smorgasbord of Engine Yard curated languages, databases, operating systems, and app servers. Or you can bring your own components. Go ahead, it's up to you. We then automatically assemble your application environment based on your choices. A highly engineered cloud abstraction layer will allow you to examine multiple infrastructure providers, compare costs, and decide which fits your deployment needs. You'll also be able to deploy to public infrastructure, your private resources, or a hybrid. The Engine Yard platform uses continuous integration and delivery to constantly update and optimize software components. However, you control when to upgrade to the latest components. The Engine Yard solution ensures applications scale easily, run reliably, and operate securely. Enabled by next-generation technology, an environment will run as a collection of clusters instead of a collection of instances. Engine Yard can target stack releases to designated clusters. Customers can create purpose-built clusters, which can be spread across regions or infrastructures for disaster recovery. Our new monitoring and alerting functionality monitors and provides incident data on applications, components, and other processes running in a virtual machine. Our platform automatically configures monitoring of components, which you can extend or modify. You will be able to view hourly, daily, or weekly performance graphs on several dozen resource metrics. We have always been committed to providing an open and flexible environment, from enabling developers to customize their environments to easily extending application capabilities with add-ons. With the next generation technology, developers can integrate to the Engine Yard API to automate all tasks that are available through our user interface. For example, you could write a script to automate provisioning for expected seasonal spikes in traffic. The Engine Yard solution is architected for reliability. It is intentionally isolated from a customer's environment. With that isolation, infinite configuration changes can be made to the application environment, but applications aren't dependent on the Engine Yard platform to stay up and running. The next generation of technology advances the capabilities organizations have in planning, deploying, managing, and extending their applications. Engine Yard is the application cloud that gives you flexibility and control without limiting you to a single language or infrastructure. Click, deploy, innovate with Engine Yard.